Here's how to use Booking.com live chat to fix a booking problem fast. First, open up any web browser and go to Booking.com, or you can open the Booking.com app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, find the option of Contact Customer Service. Select that. Now you want to tap on Get Help with Booking. Here, select your category. After that, you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of Message Customer Service. Booking.com does not have a live chat option, but you can message the customer service. If you are facing any problem with your booking, then this is the option to get help fast. Now go ahead and type in your message over here. Once you have entered all of your information, tap on the Send option. Now the customer support will get in contact with you and help you fix your booking problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.